second spot belongs to Man of the World, Vietnam. Step forward, you're part of the top 10 Men of the World, Venezuela.
We're halfway there. The 5th spot goes to you, Man of the World, Philippines.
This is for you. Man of the World, Spain.
Next up, we have Man of the World, India.
The 8th spot is for Man of the World, France.
The 9th one is for you, Man of the World, Ecuador.
To finally complete our top 10, we got Man of the World,
Puerto Rico!
Puerto Rico.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 6th annual Man of the World Top 10 finalists.
We are now going to present to you Man of the World Final 5. Who's your best, everybody?
Puerto Rico!
Who's your best?
Come on,
Puerto Rico!
let's do this. The first spot on the Final 5 is
Puerto Rico!
Man of the World, Philippines.
The next spot goes to you, Man of the World, Venezuela.
Halfway there. The third belongs to Man of the World, Puerto Rico.
Two more spots left. This one's for you, Man of the World, France.
A lot are smiling, a lot are sad, because I will be announcing the last spot. The final spot is... Make it louder, guys, louder!
Who's your best?
Man of the World, Ecuador!
Good evening, everyone. Before, I was just a bird without wings. But education really helped me and give me wings to fly. And now I am fearless, and now I am powerful. And this is a testimony that education will really help you grow as a person. It equipped me, it helped me improve my intellectual capacity, it improves me, my characteristic as a whole. In this, I hope that someday every children in this world and every people in this world will have education. Because in that, if everyone is educated, everyone is empowered and capable. Thank you so much!
Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets.
Harry Potter is a fantasy novel written by British author J.K. Rowling, and this is the second novel in this series.
All right, here is your quote. It is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. Again, it is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities.
Yeah, I told you. She's gonna have a hard time. His mom is gonna have a hard time. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard.
Good evening. It's on? Can I start? Good? Okay. For me, sometimes we have the ability of try to be a person with really we are not. So the choices show who really you are. You can try to be, or you can have the ability to fake or try to be a person that you are not. But your choices really show who you are. Thank you so much.
Very good! Bravo!
Well said. Thank you so much, Venezuela.
For the last time, that I want to see before than that is my mom's face, because she's my angel, she's my guardian, and she is the last thing that I want to see at the last day of my life. I want to say thank you, Philippines, and grow up and learn, read, because when you read, this is fit for the soul, your mind, and your spirit. So for that reason, that was important, the education too. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Puerto Rico and Venezuela as well.
You know, when I was young, I was isolate. I don't know what's isolate. Like isolate. Yeah, isolate. Okay. And when I was young, I don't say isolate, and I submit this on my my school. But right now, I just want to say for the little shy and the little children, if you have a lot of problem at the school, say it, because all your life it's important for this. Sorry for my English, but I want to say it in English, but it's important for me because when I...
Thank you very much. Very well said.
Novel that is also considered one of the greatest novels of the 19th century.
The quote reads, even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Again, even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise.
Good evening, Filipinos. I think that when you want to do something well in your life, you need to start in the night, because the night is the most important for the next day. You need to do everything well, everything good, but the next day set the best day for you. And not only for me, for everyone. So I want to improve, I want to inspire the other guys. Always have a good schedule in your life. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ecuador.